Hi, this is a Royal Futura 800, I think that's what it's called, traveling typewriter. In a nice case, couple little marks here and there that actually might clean up. Looks like the handle might have broke, and here's a fancy, someone weaved something for the handle. It seems to be plenty strong. Let's go ahead and open it up here. So it does have some spare ribbon. I'm assuming it'll still be okay. It looks like it's never been opened. We've got a nice dust cover, the Royal Futura. Got a piece of paper loaded in here already. Pretty nice condition. Let me zoom in here. Looks like a little bit of scuff marks here on the edge. The keys all look marvelous, almost like they've never been pushed down. Super clean. There's the nice Royal logo. Tab set, tab clear. There's the other side view. Really, really clean. Like I said, the only marks that I noticed are right in here. Little scuffs.